already. I have done objective types of 3 lessons. Lesson number 8, lesson number 9, lesson number 10. In previous class, already I have done objective types. Pick the correct answer, fill in the blanks, true or false, and match the following. So today we are going to learn in these lessons, 3 lessons, answer the following. So first lesson, clothes we wear. So take out your classwork or test book. Okay. Lesson number 8, answer the following. Name any tree that clothes keep us safe from. Name any tree that clothes keep us safe from. So answer is clothes keep us safe from heat, rain and cold. What is the answer, children? Clothes keep us safe from heat, rain and cold. Second question, name any 3 woolen cloths that you wear in winter. So 3 woolen cloths we have to mention. Okay. Answer is coat, sweater and jacket. Coat, sweater and jacket. So third question, write any 2 things that we wear or use to protect ourselves from rain. Raincoat, answer is raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. So you understood, children? Question understood? Write any 2 things that we wear or use to protect ourselves from rain. Answer is raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. So fourth question, write the names of any 3 people who wear uniform at their workplace. At their workplace. So answer is policeman, doctor and soldier. What is the answer? Policeman, doctor and soldier. So lesson number 9, recreation. So this lesson, answer the following. First question is, what are the recreational activities? What are the recreational activities? Answer is, the activities which we do in our free time and have fun are called recreational activities. Second question, write the names of any 3 indoor games. Write the names of any 3 indoor games. Answer is Ludo, Carom and chess. What are the indoor games? Ludo, Carom and chess. Any 3. So last question. Name any 5 activities which people do in their free time. So answer is play games, read books, singing, dancing and cycling. What is the answer? Play games, read books, singing, dancing and cycling. So children, last lesson, lesson number 10, festivals. So this lesson, answer the following. First question is, how do people celebrate religious festival? How do celebrate people religious festival? So answer is, people go to different places of worship, offer prayers, prepare special dishes, wear colorful cloth. What is the answer? People go to different places of worship, offer prayers, prepare special dishes, wear colorful clothes. So second question is, name some harvest festival of India. Name some harvest festival of India. So answer is Onam, Pongal and Bihu. What are the harvest festival of India? Onam, Pongal and Bihu. Okay. So last question. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? So what is the question, children? Why do we celebrate freedom fighter. So what is the, why do we celebrate Independence Day, children? Answer is, we celebrate Independence Day to commemorate the nation's struggle for freedom and remember our great freedom fighter. So these 3 lessons everyone should learn at home for FA3. Okay, in last class objective types we revised. So in this class, answer the following: lesson number 8, lesson number 9, lesson number 10. Children, everyone should learn at home nicely, prepare nicely. All the best for everyone. Okay, so activities also we have to do in these 3 lessons. Already I have told. Okay, all the best, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.